Welcome to S&R Seniors Living in Lanark Village. Start your day with a coffee or tea at the Garden Cafe, the perfect spot for a visit with a friend. Enjoy quiet moments in the lounge by the fireplace, watching your favorite show, or staying connected online. In the Courtyard kitchen and cafe, creativity comes alive with baking, crafts, and a cheerful tuck shop filled with favorite sweets and treats. Relax and recover in our assisted bathing spa, or stay active in the wellness gym designed to support strength, health, and independence every day. S&R Seniors Living in Lanark Village, where caring feels like home.